Salam alaikum. Bonjour à tous. I know that I love Moroccan food, right? But I still know that there are some fast food chains, like all the big ones, right? KFC, McDonald's, and Burger King. And today, we're gonna check out what Burger King is like in Morocco. Alright, let's go. Check out what the whopper is like here. If it is like a whopper like anywhere else, right? Sure, it's, the same like in Europe or in America, but we're gonna make sure of that. We are, by the way, in the beautiful city of El Jadida, which is way, way underrated. Really, really great city. Although it must not look like it right now. I made loads of videos, check them out. All right, here we are. See, this is a big Carrefour market, which is a supermarket. And yeah, it's kind of like, it's like a small mall, really. But we're not gonna walk around and film because someone would stop me. I just know it. Just going to go into Burger King, order some food, and try it. Let's do it. All right. Never know someone's gonna take away your camera. See, here it says you need a health pass, but we don't. All right, so there's the Burger King. Yeah, it's up the mall. I'm not filming the mall too much, but the food court is up here. And there's the Burger King. Oh, flame grilling since 1954. Well, looks like a proper Burger King, right? All right. The cool stuff. Regular menus. There's nothing very Moroccan about it, but they do have the whopper. Right, it's a regular McDonald's, but I'm kind of like squeamish. I don't really want to film too much. All right, let's sit outside. Yeah, lots of empty spaces here, I suppose. Yeah, it's okay here in the sun. All right. Yeah, we got the VIP space here. Oh, this one? Maybe even this one. Hey guys, so actually I did ask them if they have a special Moroccan burger or something to eat like this typical Moroccan. They don't. They just have the regular stuff. So I figured I'll review the Big King and the Whopper. All right, so let's do it. Have a kiddie meal, some chicken nuggets and some French fries and some apple juice. They actually wanted to give that I give my kids some Coke, but I said no. I think it's fairly normal to have Coke here. I mean, once you go to Burger King, but yeah, our kids they don't like the bubbles, and it's bad for you too. I'm going to try the Big King, which is a double cheeseburger. It's not that big. It's not as big as it's on the menu. But it looks like a fairly decent double cheeseburger. All right, let's try that. No, it's good. Yeah, fair enough. It tastes just the same like in anywhere else I've had it, right? And I did get the menu with Coke. Of course, I'm not a kid. Coke is like a Coke anywhere. Trying the fries. The McDonald's has the most famous fries, but Burger King was always alright. Let's try it. Yeah, fair enough. Definitely good. I must say, McDonald's has the better fries, but I don't know if in Morocco they have the better fries, because I haven't been let into a McDonald's in Morocco yet, because actually you needed a you know, a health pass to actually enter. Here, they don't have that. It does say, you know, when you enter the mall that you need to have this health pass. But I don't know. There's no one there checking it. We don't have that, of course. I don't know about the rules. I mean, this is also, they say that about traveling inside the country, that the Moroccans are not allowed to travel without that pass. But they say foreigners, tourists, don't need it either. So, yeah, you go figure. I don't know. Still okay, right? Still good. So, let's try the Whopper, which I actually find one of the best burgers in the world. Maybe it's the best burger for me, maybe not for you, that you'll find in any of the chains. I'm not sure if that, you know, is the case here in Morocco. Let's unwrap it. The mighty Whopper, right? Whopper with cheese, by the way. Ah, it looks like a regular Whopper, right? Ah, we got fresh tomatoes, fresh salad, some onions, cheese, and the patty. Oh! I haven't had a Whopper in a while, actually. Of course, a salad and there's a pickle, cucumber pickle in there. Anyway, let's try it. We should have a theme song. Anyway, let's try it. That's a Whopper, all right. Yeah. I mean, you know, I don't know if you like it, but I do. Every once in a while, you know. Yeah. The Whopper is a gift from God. 100%. Ah, yeah. Saying that, you know, when you come to Morocco, go and visit Burger King, you know, because you don't have to if you're here on holiday. But if you decide to go, you know you got it, and it's good, and it just tastes like back home. But of course, in Morocco, there is so much great food, you know. It's almost like, you know, if you're only here for a few days, don't come here, you know, because you want to eat all that great Moroccan food, right? But if you're here for a bit longer, or if you're, you know, like some kind of an addict, yeah, the Whopper. There's only one burger, actually. There's really only one burger. Alright, so this little lunch was 164 dirham, which is, you know, like 17 bucks, $70. You know, it keeps changing, you know. Well, it's all right. I mean, it'll be more expensive in the West, right? But of course, you can, for that price, you can eat lots of food here. Lots of great food, but, you know, not complaining, right? Moonshine never complains. It's ugly, I know. Let's get some dessert. They don't have a regular cone. They got milkshakes, sundaes, and mojito. Can't have mojito in here. That must be a misunderstanding. You have mojito? Mojito? Mojito with alcohol?
No.
What, oh. Ah, okay, I see. All right, it's no alcohol. Okay, so I would like 4 sundaes.
4 sundaes.
And
chocolate, caramel,
chocolate. Let me check. Oh, I thought there's a mojito as a dessert. That'd be cool, right? See, they call it the home of the Whopper here too. All right. So we got some dessert as well. Hey, Vincent, dude, let's go. All right. The sundae, right? See, this is the view you get here at Burger King. It's not the worst view. Hey, Are you enjoying yourself? Try that thing. Check out the miniature spoon. Anyway. Try it. Of course. It's amazing. Yeah, you can never go wrong with that. But it could give you a little bit more chocolate. Let me try a little of the strawberry. Come on now, tattletaling. It's also good. But chocolate is the best. You have to know that, you know. It's better one knows these things. Chocolate is the master of disaster. I'm liking it. How do you guys like yours? Is it good? It is. How about you? You like it? Also a thumbs up. Let's look at that food court a little bit. All right, so this stops people from entering Burger King. Is there a cinema or something? I don't know. It's just another sitting area here. Okay. There's some cars there. I'm sure they would stop me. So the sundae is 14 dirhams, which is like $1.50. So yeah, altogether we probably spend like $22, $22. It's not that cheap. I mean, it's fairly cheap. It's the same thing would be more expensive in, let's say, Switzerland. But in Switzerland, everything is more expensive, right? It was good. It's good. I mean, if you want to go to Burger King in Morocco, yeah, there's nothing that speaks against it. That does not already speak against it, right? Yeah, this video is unfortunately not sponsored by Burger King. Although if you see this, you know, maybe think about it, guys, from Burger King. I could make videos for Mackie D, right? Or KFC, whatnot. But yeah, I'm not going to. Well, maybe. But I want to check out a Moroccan fast food chain. That'd be interesting. I'll have to find out about that. Nice. Thanks for watching, and you know, take care. I'll see you when I see you, or when you see me. Bye bye. Au revoir. Slama. Yeah, I wanted to mention it again because I did mention it earlier. But yeah, there's nothing that would tell you that this Burger King is in Morocco. I mean, except for things are written in French and Arabic. But yeah, there's nothing Moroccan about it. The menu is just a regular, basic Burger King menu, which is all right, you know. But it's just in most countries I go to. Well, I don't go to Burger King so much. I mostly do McDonald's reviews. But there's something, you know, something local, you know, from that country, and they don't have that here. I don't know. I didn't check Burger King so much in other countries, but I think they do have some kind of a local flavor. At least they have one burger or something. But you know, it's okay. Still, it was all good. All right. Just wanted to mention that. Bye bye.